Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Ninja's YouTube channel. This is Tripti, and in this video I'll be talking about top 7 career tips for 2022, and we'll be discussing all the tips or all the 7 important things in the form of pointers one by one. So let's just get right into the video. So the first important skill or the first important, I'll say, career tip is going to be networking. Talk to people as much as you can, connect with people as much as you can. You can do that with the help of LinkedIn. It is one of the best platforms to do that because it helps you to learn about new things. It helps you to grab opportunities or even learn about opportunities. It helps you to know more about what people are doing around you, and it helps you a lot. It will help you in inspiring yourself. You'll get to know more about other people's experiences, or you'll get to know about how they did the things that you're doing currently. So you are also able to find mentors when you are networking with different people. So yeah, the first point that I'll say is network as much as you can. Even if you're a shy person, just maybe follow people on LinkedIn so you are able to see how they do things in their life. Okay, so the next important career tip is going to be soft skills, or I'll say improving your soft skills. So soft skills become an important aspect for your communication with the people that are around you. It can be someone like your employee or your colleague or your employer, your boss, anyone, or even if you're in school, college, so people around you, your peers or your teachers. So the more you're able to communicate, the more you're able to present yourself properly, it actually reflects you as a good person. Not only your talent, not only your work, but also having good soft skills, having good spoken communication skills helps you a lot in actually showing people what you're good at, representing what you are. So that is why having good soft skills adds an extra advantage for you as a personality. So the next important career tip is going to be assess yourself. So from time to time, look at the things that you've done up till now. What were the goals that you decided for yourself that you want to achieve, and out of those goals, how much were you actually able to do? Or what were the portions that you were not able to do properly, and what were the portions that you did actually do? So this way you'll be able to analyze yourself. This way you'll be able to assess yourself, analyze the things where you lack, what are your weaknesses, strengths, and you'll be able to work towards them. So after some point of time, it becomes essential for us to assess ourselves, because otherwise at times things if get out of hand, it might get way too chaotic. So before that happens, let's just take a step, let's just take a moment, take a break, and see what you have been doing up till now. For the next career tip, I'm going to say emotional intelligence and understanding. What do I mean by that? So the more you are around people, the more you connect with people, the more you understand people around you, it becomes better for all of you to move forward or to manage things, to bond, or get relief from stress. It's a very normal or genuine thing. So let's say if you're in a class and if you're talking with your peers, everybody's under pressure for your exams, but if you're talking with them, you realize you're not the only one. It makes you feel better. It helps all of you to release stress. You sit together, maybe you chit chat about how your exams are causing a lot of stress, but even talking about that helps you feel better. So that is why connecting with people around you, talking with them, understanding each other is one of the important aspects, even as as a college or school student, and even as an employee. So connecting with your colleagues, it helps you a lot in even knowing more about how they do things, getting to know about their experience, and not only that, but you just bond in general. So it helps you move forward altogether. Okay, so for the next career tip, I'm going to say learn new skills that help you get better at your job. It's a very obvious point, but at times we don't do the obvious things, and that is why I'm going to say whenever you are getting time, you feel like you have some time, or there's less work for you, you can definitely explore. You can definitely explore different things even in your field itself. Maybe learn a new skill or two. That way your whole field, the way you're studying, the whole field where you actually learning things, it will expand, and you'll become more confident, and you'll maybe get to explore some new stuff which you didn't know that existed earlier. So for the sixth career tip, I'm going to say stick to a routine, have a long-term goal. So sticking to a routine at times become monotonous for us. it becomes काफी ज़्यादा I'll say tiring for us. So in that case, I'll suggest maybe don't stick to very एकदम strict routine. You can make it flexible, but still have some long-term goals for yourself in which you're aware of what you're doing, how much are you required to do, and how much relaxation you can have for yourself. Don't be very strict or very tight-bounded about your schedule with yourself. Be flexible, but obviously depending upon what kind of a person you are. If you're very disciplined, you can manage that. If you're not that very disciplined, if you feel under pressure, if you try to force yourself to do things under very much disciplined manner, so in that case I'll just suggest be flexible, but still have some long-term goals where you're aware of how things are happening or what all things you're doing currently and what you are required. Lastly, I would like to say make time for the things that make you happy. Like in career, not everything is about work, it's about your mental and physical health as well. If you're happy, if your body is healthy, if your body is happy as well, then you're able to do things better. So that is why make sure you take out time for yourself. Make sure you do the things that you actually enjoy. It's gonna help you relax. It's gonna help you release all that stress, and it's even gonna help you in increasing your productivity and efficiency. So yeah, these were the top 7 career tips that I believe are going to be helpful or are very necessary for us to remind us with time to time. So this was about it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and share with your friends. And if you have any other doubts and queries, general, technical, anything, you can write them down in the comment section below. And also thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day.